like trains, guys. Me like trains. Do you like trains? Oh, guys, purple guy. Do you like trains? Oh wait, who has voice chat? Only little people have voice chat. Teto! Oh my god, man! Bro. Hey, wait. Do you like or uh um oh my god, safety second. Oh, Papanagia μου! That was a Greek phrase. It slid out of me. Okay, little bro is not sapnap. Oh! That guy exploded into pieces. Like how I'm gonna explode if you don't smash the subscribe button!